What's the meaning of commune? Commune. Commune.
Commune. Commune. Commune can refer to a few different things, but most commonly it describes a small community of people who live and work together. In this context, commune implies a shared sense of purpose and responsibility among members, as well as an emphasis on mutual aid and cooperation. Communal living arrangements have become increasingly popular in recent years, particularly among those seeking to simplify their lives and live in greater harmony with nature. Ultimately, the goal of a commune is to create a sustainable and equitable society that prioritizes collective well-being over individual gain.